Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in Kisna Nature Park and it is a bird sanctuary in Surat. Come on, let's go. Bird sanctuary is a place where we go to see all types of birds. So let's go. So we are surrounded by trees, birds and birds and birds. So this is an African grey parrot and it belongs to Old World parrot family. Look at its color, it's grey color and that's why it's called grey parrot. So do you guys know parrots can learn thousands of words? So these are sun conures and they are from South America and they are so colorful parrots. So these are all lovebirds and you will always find them in pairs. They are green-cheeked conures and they also belong to parrot family and they can live for 30 years. This is GALAH and it is a pink and grey cockatoo. This is an ECLECTUS parrot and it is from Australia. These are diamond doves. This is cockatoo and it is very playful bird and they love when you pet them. And that's GOULDIAN finch. Look at this amazing parrots. Hi! 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 This is SCARLET MACAW and it is only 1 year old and they live for 30 years. These are golden blue macaws and they have gorgeous blue body and yellow chest. This is BUDGERIGAR and it lives for across 10 years. These are turkeys. Oh my god, they are very large birds. Oh, they have rabbits too. Oh, you can get close to them. This is turkey and look at these tiny birds. They will grow into this big bird. Oh, we have lots of fun. How wonderful the nature is. Do visit, it's in Surat and it will be great experience for you and your family. If you like this video then please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.